If you're watching this video, then oh crap, you probably got arrested or something happened that you think is about to drag you into the criminal justice system. Hi, my name is Marcy Fazio. I'm a criminal defense attorney at the law firm of Fazio Law in Oklahoma City. We specialize and focus on helping people who've been charged with a crime.
Hi, my name is Emily Music, and I'm also an attorney here at Fazio Law.
Emily and I together have been practicing criminal law for years, over 25 years. So you've probably got a ton of questions in your mind. One of them might be, when do I need an attorney? So that's the question we're going to answer for you in this video today. If you think you need an attorney, you probably do. This isn't something that you want to leave up to chance. Just like you don't want to answer complex questions by relying on the magic 8-ball, but just for fun, let's see what it says. Should I hire an attorney? It is decidedly so. All kidding aside, there are basically two different components to the question of when should I hire an attorney. The first part of that is when should I hire an attorney, as far as in what situation should I hire an attorney. If it's a situation where you're facing going to jail or losing your driver's license or any of those other consequences, is that important to you? If what's at stake is important to you, then I would highly recommend that you consult an attorney. Again, it's never a bad decision to talk to an attorney, especially if you're speaking with an experienced attorney who has familiarity with the courthouse, with the system, with the multitude of statutes that are involved in your particular case. It's never a bad decision. The worst thing is the unexpected. By having an attorney that can answer questions and tell you what to expect, that's one of our biggest goals, is to help kind of take a lot of the stress off of your shoulders and let us worry about it. So ideally, you're going to feel better if you've got representation. Perhaps even more importantly, you're going to have someone who represents your interests in the courthouse. You're not walking into that building alone or going into that courthouse with you. You've got an attorney who can represent your interest to the prosecutor. The prosecutor could be seeking to put you in jail. You want somebody that can have your back. You've got somebody to represent your interest with the judge. If you have a jury trial, you've got someone to represent your interests and tell your story so that you're not seen as just another case. You've got someone there who can advocate for you and tell your story.
And I'm going to help you with the second component of that question. When do I need to hire an attorney? Should it be upon arrest? Should it be when you got a ticket? The first time that you come to court? I'm going to help you decide and work through that problem with that second component. So just like Marcy said, it's never a bad decision to hire an attorney. It's also never a bad time to hire an attorney. So even if you have just been arrested or you have your first arraignment court date, it's never a bad time to contact an attorney. The earlier that we can help you with your case, the better. We can get on your case from the very beginning and start making decisions about how you want it handled, how we can help you, and also begin assessing the situation that you're in and what is going to be your best and most viable options. So whether it's your very first setting, whether you just got that traffic ticket, whether the police department may be calling you and asking you questions, or whether or not you've been to court a couple of times on your own and now you're realizing, oh, I might be in over my head a little bit. All of those situations are always a good time and a good reason to reach out to an attorney who can begin helping you, putting the pieces back together for you, and making sure that we're giving you effective decision-making skills so that you can go on and do better things once this is over.
If you think you need an attorney, if you think you might need an attorney, if what's at stake is important to you, if you're super stressed out and you need someone to give you guidance, any of those things apply, then yes, absolutely, you should hire an attorney. Your situation is unique, your circumstances are different, and so we'd like to be able to give you answers specific to you. So we offer a free case assessment, so just give us a call or you can click the link below and have a free case assessment where we can specifically talk about your situation and whether or not you need an attorney and a lot of the other millions of questions that are probably going through your head right now. So give us a call, 405-593-8444, or just click the link below for your free case assessment. You need an attorney who knows what your rights are so that they can be protected and to make sure you get the best outcome possible. Click the link below.